Hello everybody. That's coming towards us. I only know that that's for real because one, I've seen that before for many years ago. And on the radar, there are big blotches that just formed out of nowhere. And they're saying 50-mile-an-hour gusts. So, and I'm time-lapsing it right now. It's at 6 seconds. I started it 2 minutes ago. It'll be sped up quite a bit, so it'll be at like 32 times or 64. Because this is gonna take a while, but yeah. There you go. We had a failed spot that formed over us earlier. Hopefully I don't get those videos confused with this one when I'm editing. Because that was really disappointing. And this better not disappoint either. Alright. Focus right. It's that far over us now. It's gotten quite humid. There's a special weather statement that way. That direction. It says gusts of 40 now. And that's not even over us. Really, it's not. It's like 10 miles north of us. I have seen some lightning flashes though. There's a plane coming in. Gotta keep an eye on this. This thing is barely focusing. I was sitting out here waiting for my time lapse to be done, and I saw a flash and I was like, I should probably get in. It's a lot darker than what it shows on the camera in real life. Give me a papa, I said. Here we go. Ominous clouds. What the crap? Try. Not even try harder, just try. Because I know you're not. Sorry. What is wrong with you? Either way, I darkened it. Maybe that's what's wrong. I darkened it. It's not permanent, but you can see the actual color of it this way. Lightning, flashes. You can do it. Some guy started a lawnmower or something over here, really freaking loud, a little bit ago. You keep concentrated. Oh, it's my neighbor. Whoa. Hey, you know what? I think that's my cue to get back on the porch. This is sort of freaking me out a little bit. Not even a freaking severe thunderstorm. 8 minutes later or something, the thunder is all moved that way. The humidity is so bad that it's reading as rain on my radar. in shades of yellow, too. That's how humid it is. Ooh, I barely got that. I should probably zoom out a little bit. I had the camera off for a little bit, and I was watching up the door window, and these strikes start going all sideways, neat looking and stuff. Is something? That was cool. It was a little bit cool. Get off of me. Come on. Ominous. Almondous. My hand's getting tired. Stop. I mean, strike already. I hear you. Strike. My neighbor went inside. That's probably a sign. Do it! I like you. Do it. Wow. Cool. I want to see a bolt, though. Clouds are turning red over there. That means it's getting the city lights from south of us. Up here, there's not a dang thing else past our area. Maybe a couple houses and such. Did you just freaking die as I'm recording you? Freaking night lightning bugs, firefly, whatever. Lightning bug sounds a lot cooler now that I think about it. Do something. Don't tell me you just died. I have a lot of clips to delete. Was that a positive? I don't know. It was like one flash. I've seen many negative one flashers though. You might be able to see these fireflies flying around ever so often. Oh, nice. And it's really that crazy out here in the forest over there, which you may be able to see them. You might be able to shove it up your ass because it's not going to focus, but you can see them ever so often. Do something. This is getting tedious. I'm going to be deleting a lot of clips. Do some damn thing. Like that, but with lightning bolts. I didn't know that cloud was there. Do something. I hear you. Do something. That was louder than the other ones. Come on. Imagine if that sound came from that strike that was over there behind the cloud. And it just took that long to get here. Because storm is still a ways out there. And if that frickin' firefly, sorry, landed on my forehead. Tedious. Tedious. Where are you? I saw something. There's gonna be extraordinary files deleted. And I'm slightly falling down the stairs. These stairs, I'm infamous for that on this set of stairs. They go up like this. They don't go up like this, they go up like this. They're so stupid. There's something. Do something more, please. Oh, geez. I think the best strike I got was that one over there I saw. And this one over here. And I saw it through the camera and real life at the same time, seemingly. I'm not sure if I got it or not. Could review the footage right now. This is getting dumb. I think they're all covered by clouds. Got 3 Musketeers. Come on, I could have done that one better. I'll be honest. Don't do anything, please. Not as good as caramellos, but they're alright. I wish Caramello made mini caramellos. I'm not sure if they do or not. All the ones I've seen are the big packages, or well, what you'd see in the store. Nothing major. I think somebody's TV turned on in there. Dude, it was striking like crazy when I was inside looking through stuff. And then I come out here, there's nothing except for that. I said it was going to take 20 minutes to get here. This thing is barely moving. Okay. I just got 1 drop on the center of my hand. I don't know if that was freaking a coincidence or somebody was telling me, yes, it's coming, don't worry. That was very 2021 me-esque. Who's that? Not Dad. Oh, no, that is Dad. Good. You gotta be either in a building or or at home, dude. Just in time, too. I'm hearing sprinkles. Not sparkles. I smell the rain. What's that? Anticipation smell. Come on! I turned around and it flashed. It lasted for like 4 seconds. Yo. What's that, man? Scary. Yep. I'm disappointed by what I just did there. Hello. I turned around and it flashed for like 4 seconds. Spooky. It's getting rainier. Do it the thing you do it. Because I turned around again and it flashed. Really bright. So do it again. Do what you did 2 times in 1 minute that you're not doing right now. This is playing out the same way as the August 24th conundrum 2 years ago. Or dang near 2 years ago at this point. Which strangely kind of feels like 2 years ago. It's just calmer. It's calmer, less lightning. And it's only saying 40-mile-an-hour winds, and that's north of us. Do the thing. Where are all these people going? Lord. Some of that's hail, I think. I don't know. Every so often I get a really hard piece of rain that bounces off my finger. That smells good. Come on. Do these wet fireworks still work? Oh shit. That could have been very bad. Never doing that again. I threw it up at the ceiling and it hit me. Almost. You. Why? There. God. I gotta throw those things hard. I must have been freaking water damaged. I wonder why. You don't suspect a thing. Okay, it got to us. It sort of shriveled up and died, but there's still something that way. Like that. If you're hearing that rumbling, that is most likely a plane that went overhead. I just heard a bat really close to my head. Yikes. It said squeaky. It said hi. Batty Coda? No. Freaking white pole. Plane went overhead, and I haven't heard that plane at night in a long time. We usually hear it in the morning. It goes over us and goes really loud. I remember I got done reading I remember that night I got done reading the First Wings of Fire book, and I caught my mom getting up to go make a breakfast, and I went back to my room, and after a while sitting there I heard like a roar. It sounded, and that was like the first time I heard it. I sprung up out of bed. So that plane goes over every so often, not much at night though. Loudest plane you'll ever hear. So far, just rain and the occasional flash. Okay, you might see it looks dark, like it's midnight or something and we're getting hit by a storm. But if you look over there, that hint of lighter stuff over there, that is the sky. So it's really not that dark. It tricks you, kinda. Because it's only turn my TV on. It's only 10:11, and it gets fully noticeably like this dark, honestly, night around 10:30. The sunset's at like 9:20, but in the summer here, but it doesn't get dark till around 10:20, 10:30. So this kind of tricks you a bit. I think that's some wind. That's ominous. I don't think there's any more lightning, and this is all we're gonna get hit by. All the stuff is that way, just the occasional flash. It died when it got on top of us, but we indeed did get some lightning. And you know what, I'm fine with that. There might be some wind that's left from the storm. That tree's starting to flop around a little bit. Nothing noticeable below though. Okay, maybe not. Look at that. That one freaking. Surprised that big old one is still there. Everything here looks a little bit frazzled. Like many of us from the past couple of years. Frizzy hair, messy beard. Some of us have teeth missing. I do, one of them. Here's the rain. This is what's left of it. there's some wind. God. That was a weird direction for it to blow. It went backwards. There's some of it. I think I should get inside. Oh, crap. Yeah, that's not ordinary wind you see in a freaking, special weather statement storm. It's not even over us. I said 40 miles an hour north of us, so maybe that carried down here even though the storm died. That's happened where storms fizzle out nearly completely and then they hit us, but they still have the wind and sometimes lightning. Is that it? Is that all it did? That was funny. Like, that tree's making a bunch of noise. You can hear some of those over there a long way if it's windy. Like, you know, the August 10th derecho that hit Cedar Rapids, Iowa really bad. By the time it got up here, which was like 4.5 hours only, when it got up here finally. Well, when it got over here, more like, because it's that way, like Iowa. By the time it got up here, it only had about 50-mile-an-hour winds, but it still ripped us a new a-hole. There's a flash. It still ripped us a new one. It was still quite powerful, so we had to go inside. Of course, 12-year-old me was going, "Ah, shit!" So that's one of them that sort of fizzled out by the time it got to us. Well, I guess there you go. That's it for the rain. You can see all the way through that to the sky over there. So, yeah, thanks for watching. I'm sort of happy with this one. That was cool. I'm gonna get inside now because I think I might be getting like a slight cold or like an allergy or something. Let's get to 700 subscribers. And then at 750 I'll have a compilation for you guys. See ya. Bonus clip. I know, crazy, right? God. I haven't seen this on a, oh my God. I heard something snap, I hope. I hope you heard that. It sounded like somebody snapped their fingers, but it was like a twig. I haven't seen this at night in the summertime in like 6 years. I haven't seen it act this frickin' crazy in that long. I'm gonna get inside. That's like 35 miles an hour. Nobody said a dang thing. Radar didn't say anything. My radar didn't say anything. Nothing said nothing about 35 miles an hour. It says 25, but I know what 25 miles an hour looks like in wind. And if it was 25 miles an hour, I wouldn't have heard that over there. I might have to brighten this a little bit so you can see. It's 4 o'clock in the morning, by the way. It's been a while. Damn is criminy Christmas. Okay, thanks for watching. I'm going inside. Suck one. Whoa, calm down.